Hello class, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning all, how are you doing today? I hope you're always fine and happy. And I want you to make sure that you are always happy every day. Because happiness will increase the immunity of our body. Halo semuanya, selamat pagi. Bagaimana kabar kalian? Bapak harap semuanya baik-baik saja. Dan Bapak harap kalian selalu berbahagia dan pastikan diri kalian selalu berbahagia setiap hari karena kebahagiaan dapat meningkatkan imunitas tubuh kita. Well, I'd like to say welcome to my English class again. Selamat datang di kelas Bapak lagi. With me Muhammad Taufikur Rahman, and today we are going to discuss a new topic, dan pagi ini kita akan diskusikan sebuah topik baru that is about pronoun. Okay. And the purpose of our learning today is that after finishing learning this topic, you should be able to use pronouns in your daily activities. Adapun tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah setelah pembelajaran ini nanti, kalian bisa mempergunakan pronoun dengan baik ya dalam komunikasi kegiatan sehari-hari. Okay, now please look at the passage above. Sekarang perhatikan passage di atas. I will read the passage and I want you to repeat after me. Okay? Bapak akan bacakan passage-nya dan kalian ulangi setelah Bapak. Okay. Alia wants to have many pen pals because Alia likes making friends. Alia's pen pals come from many parts of the world. Caroline introduces Alia to Hannah. Now, Hannah becomes Alia's pen pals. Hannah likes Alia a lot. Okay. My question to you is, what do you think of the paragraph above? Bagaimana menurut kalian paragraf tersebut? Well, a good answer, paragraf tersebut kurang menarik. Why? Yeah, right. Because the word Alia is repeated too often. And that makes the sentence are not important, ya. That make the sentence are not interesting. Benar sekali, kata Alia itu diulang terlalu sering sehingga kalimat-kalimat yang ada di dalam sana, di dalam paragraf tadi itu kurang menarik. It should be, harusnya, the word Alia can be replaced by pronouns, ya. Harusnya kata Alia tersebut bisa diganti dengan yang namanya pronoun. Okay, good. Now I want you to compare these two passages. Sekarang saya ingin kalian membandingkan dua passage di atas. Okay. Passage 1 yang kita baca tadi, sekarang passage 2-nya. Okay. Now pay attention to passage 2. Alia wants to have many pen pals because she likes making friends. Her pen pals come from many parts of the world. Caroline introduces her to Hannah. Now, Hannah becomes Alia's pen pals. Hannah likes her a lot. Okay, what do you think of the both passages? Right, passage 2 is better. Yeah, why? Passage 2 itu lebih baik. Kenapa? Right, because the word Alia is not repeated. It replaced by pronouns, ya. Karena kata Alia di sana tidak diulang-ulang, tapi diganti dengan yang namanya pronoun. Dengan apa? Dengan she and her. That's right. Nah, dan itu yang akan kita pelajari, ya. Okay. So, what is pronoun is? Sekarang apa itu pronoun? Pronoun is a word that replaces a noun or a noun phrase. Jadi yang namanya pronoun adalah sebuah kata yang mengganti kata benda atau sebuah frase kata benda, ya. In self-introduction and also in other communication activities, pronouns are frequently used to prevent an important repetition. Dalam komunikasi kita sehari-hari, khususnya dalam perkenalan, pronoun itu digunakan untuk menghindari pengulangan yang sepele atau pengulangan yang tidak terlalu penting, ya. Makanya kita memerlukan pronoun. Well, before going on, I'd like to ask you, on your idea, what is pronoun in bahasa Indonesia? Menurut kalian, kira-kira setelah mendengarkan penjelasan Bapak tadi, apa sih pronoun itu dalam bahasa Indonesia? That's right, pronoun is kata ganti ya. Oke. Now, let's go. Sekarang mari kita lanjutkan. Oke. Now, let's discuss with examples. Sekarang mari kita berdiskusi dengan banyak examples ya. Oke. Example 1. Ahmadi is a diligent student. Ahmadi studies every day. What do you think of this sentence? Right. The sentence is correct, but not good. Ya. Kalimat tersebut benar, tapi kurang bagus. Ya, tapi tidak bagus. Why? Because Ahmadi is repeated in the second sentence. Karena kata Ahmadi itu diulang pada kalimat kedua. It should be, harusnya, Ahmadi is a diligent student. He studies every day. In the second sentence, we can use he ya, to replace Ahmadi. Okay? Can you catch my point? Okay, good. We go to the second example. Rahmadi and Mahmud are studying together. Rahmadi and Mahmud are discussing about English homework. Rahmadi dan Mahmud sedang belajar bersama-sama. Rahmadi dan Mahmud sedang mendiskusikan PR bahasa Inggris. What's problem with this sentence? That's right. Again, the word Rahmadi and Mahmud repeated in the second sentence. Yeah. Actually, we can replace Rahmadi and Mahmud with they in the second sentence. Sebenarnya kita bisa menggantikan Rahmadi dan Mahmud tersebut pada kalimat kedua sehingga menjadi Rahmadi and Mahmud are studying together. They are discussing about English homework. Okay, ya. Clear understanding? Okay, good. Pemahamannya pasti lebih bagus ya. Okay, we go to the third example. Kita masuk ke example ketiga. I have a new bag. I bought a new bag yesterday. Okay, saya punya tas baru. Saya sudah membelinya. Saya sudah membeli sebuah tas baru kemarin. What's the problem? Right, a new bag is repeated in the second sentence. How should it be? Yep, it should be I have a new bag. I bought it yesterday. Yeah, a new bag bisa kita replace dengan it. Nah, in the second sentence. Kenapa kita menggunakan it? Ya, yeah, because it is a pronoun and it replace a new bag, a noun phrase. Ya, dan kita bisa menggantikan a new bag di sana sebuah noun phrase. Ya, okay, understand? Okay, good. Okay, we go to the fourth example. Kita masuk ke contoh keempat. Hamidah has two sisters, Rina and Dewi. She loves Rina and Dewi very much. Ya, Hamidah memiliki dua saudari perempuan, yaitu Rina dan Dewi. She loves Rina and Dewi very much. Dia sangat menyayangi Rina dan Dewi. What's problem? Right, Rina and Dewi is repeated again in the second sentence. Iya, Rina dan Dewi itu terulang di kalimat kedua. Iya, harusnya gimana? Harusnya Hamidah has two sisters, Rina and Dewi. She loves them very much. Ya, she loves them very much. Seperti itu ya. Okay, understand? Okay, good. Okay, by the way, in the second sentence, in the beginning, we got she. Nah, pada kalimat kedua di sini kita menemukan she. She loves them. Nah, she di kalimat kedua itu kemana kira-kira? Replace apa dia? Right, dia replace Hamidah. Nah, jadi itu juga pronoun yang replace Hamidah. Oke, good.